Another beautiful day, and we'll have a beautiful evening as well. So for any outdoor activity, warm temperatures, low humidity levels, very light winds, absolutely delightful weather ahead this evening. Temperature-wise, we're holding in the upper 80s still in Washington. You notice our number at Reagan National is significantly higher than surrounding areas that are in the lower 80s. Our average high for Washington, D.C. is 89 degrees, and so these numbers are well below average, all because of the cool flow of air from the northwest, which is also a dry air mass. So our heat index is totally comfortable. Lower 80s, 87 right now is the heat index at Reagan National. It's the same number as the air temperature. And again, that doesn't happen very often in the month of July around here. So just enjoy what we have. These low dew points in the 60s, and even low temperatures in the morning are in the 60s. And if you right near the 60-degree mark tomorrow morning, Frederick, Maryland, one of those spots, 65 near Andrews, 64 degrees tomorrow morning in Baltimore. Now there is some heat around, but it's all been pushed well to the south, a cold front down through the Carolinas. So you get down through South Carolina, Georgia, North Florida, they're burning up in the low to mid 90s with high humidity. The temperature out west of Kansas City in the 90s, and that stretches all the way from Arizona to nearly the Canadian border. All those factors will converge back on our area once that area of high pressure moves out of the way. So it's a pretty sprawling area right now, a nice strong region. You notice an absence of cloud cover in the satellite in that area, and you notice everything is concentrated on this old cold front that has become stationary. What happened so many times this summer so far is these cold fronts would come through, give us a brief break from the high heat and humidity, and then they become stationary right in our own backyard, and we get day after day of clouds, showers, and storms. That's happening now, moving across the Outer Banks, but we think that will improve over the weekend to the south, and as these areas of high pressure move out, it'll turn everything around in the low levels of the atmosphere, bring winds out of the south, bring heat, bring humidity back to the area. Our futurecast through tomorrow morning shows skies relatively clear, just a few fair weather clouds through the day tomorrow. The showers start to diminish off the coast of the Outer Banks, which is good news, so everything is looking good. Tomorrow it'll be sunny, it'll be seasonable, it'll be low humidity day, highs about 90 degrees with light northerly wind. Then as we go through the weekend, about 90 on Saturday, 91 on Sunday. Humidity levels tick up a tiny bit Saturday, more noticeably on Sunday, and maybe west of the metro area late Sunday night, an isolated thunderstorm. The beaches, absolutely beautiful, we think. The weather will break at the Outer Banks, and the Maryland, Delaware, Jersey beaches and the Virginia Beach area all the way down to the Outer Banks should be sunny and pleasant in the 80s, nice and refreshing with warm temperatures in the surf. And then as we get through early next week, a cold front will come in Monday, Tuesday, or a frontal zone, give us increasing chances of showers and storms, and then we'll kind of get back into the heat and humidity again. But it's been a nice break. Enjoy every single minute of it.
Absolutely. Don't think we won't.
Nope, I am.
Thank you, Doug.
Okay.
A very big discovery for NASA. Its official name is Kepler 452b, but that doesn't tell you how cool this is. Scientists are calling it Earth's bigger, older cousin. It's in a solar system 1,400 light years from our own, but it orbits its star at about the same distance that Earth orbits the sun, and its home star looks to be similar to our sun. Now, NASA says it's the best bet yet for an Earth-like planet that might harbor life.
Too bad we can't go there.
One day, Leon.
It's only 1,400 million light years away. All right, folks, talk about feeling the heat.
Yeah, oh my gosh, go. Go now, go. Like, no, fast.
Tense moments as a family rushes to escape an oncoming wildfire.
Plus,
I was wondering how I was going to have anything to eat but soup for the rest of my life.
a man's fishing trip turns into an ordeal. Find out why the fire department was called in to help.
But first, women are wearing them for 6 to 8 hours a day. But do those waist trainers really work? We'll tell you what doctors say coming up.
Now here's a look at what's coming up tonight on ABC.